Baby Mikey has made it all the way over here. And he started all the way over there. And he's doing it by, do it again, pushing himself backwards. Can you do it? Come on. Can you do some more? Can you push yourself? Push yourself backwards again. No, you're going to rotate. You're going to helicopter. Oh, you just want to crawl so bad. You do. Oh, yay. Going to keep pushing and roll. Hi. Yeah. Rolling gets you closer to me, doesn't it? Yeah. You going to laugh some more? Oh. Oh. Yay, you're closer. And, oh, not quite. And we're going to roll back again. You'll get the hang of it. Can you wave bye-bye? You don't know how to do that yet, do you? Bye-bye.